I received this about a week ago. It came with the Fly More combo. The Fly More combo for the Mavic Mini. It was part of B&H's, one of their specials. It was probably about $25 off when you purchased it as a bundle. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I may or may not, I'm not sure. Let's open it up. I'll play the details in regards to it while I'm opening it up.
The following is some details on the item. Go Professional Hard Plastic Custom Cases Travel Case for DJI Mavic Mini BH GODJIMMTC GPC-DJI-MAVICMINI 05122020. Cost $28. Part of the Fly More combo. B&H. https://www.bhphotovidea.com/go_professional_cases_cases_GPC_Mavic-Mini_DJI_Mavic_Mini_Mavic_Mini_Travel. https://smile. smile.amazon.com/dp/b08227662QG $MKT-CHR-US-20 $0.000-010-org-000-1-0-other-smile-US000-P-CUMP-feature-P-CUMP-WM-8-WM-3-WM-4 _EOH1_apps1. Key features: holds a DJI Mavic Mini with props, holds batteries, charger, controller, precision, cut custom foam insert, durable SKB, military spec exterior. Use the compact travel case from Go Professional Cases to safely protect and transport your DJI Mavic Mini drone with its propellers installed, a controller, 3 batteries, a charging hub, a charger, 2 sets of spare props, an SD card holder, cables, and various accessories. Go Professional Cases GPC-DJI-MAVICMINI overview. Use the compact travel case from Go Professional Cases to safely protect and transport your DJI Mavic Mini drone with its propellers installed, a controller, 3 batteries, a charging hub, a charger, 2 sets of spare props, an SD card holder, cables, and various accessories. This waterproof case features a foam interior with dedicated cutouts for each component, an automatic pressure valve, and stainless steel padlock inserts. The case has been constructed to meet multiple military specs for durability and to protect your gear from the elements. Fits DJI Mavic Mini with its propellers, attached controller, 3 batteries, or a charging hub with 3 batteries, plus 1 installed in the Mavic Mini, charger and cable, GPC micro SD card holder, 2 sets of spare propeller blade, screwdriver, accessories and cables. Additional features: foam-lined interior, LED trigger release latch system, molded in hinge for added protection, stainless steel padlock inserts for added security, snap-down rubber, over-molded cushion grip handle. Military spec durability meets the following military specifications: MILT negative 4150J. Waterproof and dustproof design. MILST negative 648C. Ambient pressure equalization valve. MILST negative 810F. Resistant to impact damage, UV, solvents, corrosion, and fungus. UPC 850,005,270,201. Go Professional Cases GPC-DJI Mavic Mini specs: exterior dimensions 10.73 x 9.69 x 4.8 inches, 27.25 x 24.6 x 12.19 centimeters. Interior dimensions 9.5 x 7.38 x 4.13 inches, 24.13 x 18.74 x 10.49 centimeters. Weight 2.4 pounds, 1.1 kilograms. Packaging info: package weight 3.37 pounds. Box dimensions: LXWXH 11.5 x 10 x 5.3. Go Professional Cases compatible for DJI Mavic Mini case. GPC-DJI-MAVICMINI by Go Professional Cases 4.9 out of 5 stars 35 ratings. 5 price changes price, $57.95 sale, $54.95 and free returns discount provided by Amazon. Details: get $125 off. Pay $0 upon approval for the Amazon Business Prime card. Terms apply. Eligible for Amazon Smile donation. Fits one DJI Mavic Mini. Props attached. 3 batteries, plus 1 battery installed. A Mavic Mini or convert to charging hub with 3 batteries, plus 1 battery installed. A Mavic Mini. 2 sets of spare props and screwdriver. 1 Mavic Mini controller. Sticks attached. Fits 1 original USB charger and cable. 1 GPC micro SD card holder. Holds 8 micro SDs. 2 accessory cavities. Will fit miscellaneous cables in most cell phones. Made in the USA. Lifetime guarantee, because we only make products that last. DJI Mavic Mini and accessories not included. Products description: the highly anticipated lightweight jewel from DJI is here. The Mavic Mini comes with a sweet little zippered container with limited protection and minimal storage space. We have created superior protection against the conditions your Mavic Mini will encounter in your adventures. The stock accessories of the entry-level configuration, and it is convertible to the Fly More Combo Kit. This case will pack all of your entry-level kit and convertible to accommodate the Fly More Combo Kit with a cell phone as a monitor, without protective cover, and cables. Keep in mind, a great reason to keep your phone in here is not only as a monitor but great protection for wet or sandy conditions. And this watertight case floats, so take it on the watercraft, kayak or raft. Products information: product dimensions 10.73 x 9.69 x 4.8 inches. Item weight 3.25 pounds. ASIN B0822762QGUNSPSC code 45,120,000. Item model number GPC-DJI-MAVIC Mini.
Like I said in the details, I received this for an additional $20-something with the purchase of the Fly More combo. It's a nice small case, tiny. I really like it, and I like this. This comes out, and let's put everything away. So I have to. Can this? You know, I didn't want to rip it out if I don't have to, but I guess, you know, I'll just leave it like, let's just take everything out. Leave it exactly like this. Let me put away the, has a notch there for the camera, which is pretty nice. So even if you lose the cover, you'll still have a little cover. You'll still have some protection in the case itself, which is pretty cool. So it sits, I believe, this way, and I have my additional, perfect, goes right in, nice. This Velcro that I put on top so I could put my GPS on it through Velcro. My phone that I'm using with this is a Lenovo phone. And it almost doesn't fit. Oh, that's great. It doesn't fit. So I'm gonna have to cut that out. That's gonna be a problem. Okay, this is not gonna be able to go in. So let me try. This would be my phone, so I guess I would leave it there. That's not gonna work for me. And then the batteries. So I'm gonna remove this so I can put my battery total in there. I'm not gonna be able to put in my phone that I normally use, which is this one. So I'll simulate. I'll have to cut this out more, but before I do that, let me just make sure that I'm gonna keep everything. This comes out over here. You can put it back. It's easy to put back. And Okay, take out that end over there. Okay, battery going here. And put my phone in here. Perfect. We get the controller. Controller will go in here. Oh, look at that. Fits nicely. Fits right in. Perfect. It's a little slot here. Must be for SD or something. I don't think I'm going to use that. Maybe I can use it for something else. This will be the cable I use for the phone. I might leave that over here. It's for additional battery, it looks like. Pretty much, oh, my GPS with the Trackamo, which is pretty cool. Let me put that, let me turn this one on. Put this in there. Put my Trackamo in there. Beautiful. Everything fits perfectly. Awesome. Everything fits well. Okay. And that's pretty much it. I'm ready to fly. This is a nice case. It's a nice, really small case. Close it. Light. Simple to use. I really like it. I put Velcro here. I'm doing something with it. And I like the case. Totally nice. Really small, really nice. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Pull the latches here to unlock. It has little holes for locking. Put a lock in it if you want. There's two of them. Another one on that end. And again, I hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.